Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Raj. Today I bought a Nintendo Switch for my son Revan. I bought it at Best Buy and paid $450 after tax. So right now I'm going to be doing the unboxing. So let's open it up and see what's inside. When you open the box, the very first thing you see a quick instruction with the picture, and it's very useful if this is your very first controller. And the very first thing you see your main screen. Let's take it out. It looks really nice and I can feel the quality. It's very high quality material. And you see the Joy-Con. Actually they had three different color choices. One is gray, the other one blue and red, and also they had a special edition. But I like the blue and red, so I picked this one. Oops, there's nothing in there. Let's put it back. This is the controller base. I see they included the HDMI cable. It's a high quality HDMI cable, and it's a good thing they included because nowadays it's very hard to find it. And this is a charger. This is a case to attach to both Joy-Cons. I'll tell you about this later on. And here you see the docking station. I think that's it. So let's take a look at the main screen. On the bottom you see the USB-C port where you connect the charger. And at the back you see there are two speakers and there's a gray color case. If you open that up, you will see a SD card slot where you can insert an SD card. Also you can use that as a stand. And on the other side you have power on off button, the volume control, a fan, a headphone jack, and game card slot. That's where you put the game card. Now take a look at those Joy-Cons. Here clearly is marked left and right on the top for you to know which side to connect. So basically when you use as a portable, you can slide them in that screen and then you can use it without connecting to the TV. If you get a Nintendo Switch Lite, you can only use as a portable, you can't connect to the TV. This model, you can do both. You can connect to the TV and play, and also you can use it as a portable. And to remove the Joy-Con, you see at the back there's a button. You push the button and slide it out and it will come out easily. And do the same thing on the other side, push the button and slide it out. Here these are the covers that I mentioned at the beginning. Here you see clearly marked plus and minus, so you match those signs and then slide it in to close that open side of that Joy-Con, and you can use this as a controller. It will give a good grip on your hand. And once you close it, you will see there's a lock button. So make sure you lock it so it doesn't fall. And to take it out, again, press that button to unlock it and slide it out. this is the controller base. Especially when you connect to the TV and play, you can slide it in on both sides and you can use it, and it's really nice control, like high quality and good grip. You simply slide it in and that's it. And once you're done, again press that button and slide it up and it will come out. You see the exact same thing on the box, right? And this is the docking station. Here you can see the places to connect the charger, your HDMI cable and the USB cable. So once you connect all the wires, they have a nice cable management opening there. You see there's one cut in the case, so that's where you bring the cables out and close it. It will fit nicely. So here you can connect your charger, connect the HDMI cable. You see there's a cut on the case, that's where you place the wire, so when you close, it will close it well. So you connect the other end of the HDMI to your TV and it will automatically connect, and then you can start playing on the TV. And when you play on the TV, you can use this controller. You just place it in and there you go. Once everything is set up, you will see the game section is empty. That means you have to buy the game. Well, I also bought one game. It costed me about $90 after tax. Place the game card into the card slot and you are ready to go. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, consider subscribe to my channel for more useful videos.